गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स नाइन्थ क्लास में हम चैप्टर 4 कर रहे हैं और आज हम उसकी 4.3 एक्सरसाइज आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. सो just take a look how we can solve these questions. First of all, we have to draw graph of linear equation in two variables. How we can draw the graph? Okay, so first of all we have given that equation x plus y is equals to 4. So first of all we have to put y on left side, or we can say that we can find value of y. So how we can find value of y? We just put value of x to right side. Then how will it will make? That is y is equals to 4 minus x. After that we have to put some values in this equation so that we can get different values of y. How we can say how we can find it? We have put first of all x equals to 0. Whenever we put x equals to 0, then what will be the value of y? Y is equals to 4 minus 0, that is y is equals to 4. So point will be 0 and 4. After that put x equals to 2, then y is equals to 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, that is equals to 2, and this will be your answer. So point is 2 and 2. After that we will put x equals to 4, then what is the value of y? That is equals to 4 minus 4, that is equals to 0. So point will be 4 and 0. After that, to draw the graph we use the table, or we can say that we make a table which will be very helpful for us. Then here is the value of x and here is the value of y. So after that we will draw the graph. We will put these points on graph paper. This is the graph of our first question. Similarly, we have given next equation, that is x minus y is equals to 2. We have to find always value of y. So we keep take this value y as a positive term, but here this is a negative value. How we can find it? First of all, move this value of y to right side, then it will be positive, y plus 2. After that move this constant term 2 to left side, then it will become y is equals to x minus 2. After that we will put values of x equals to 1, 0 or 2, then correspondingly we get values minus 1, minus 2 or 0, or we can make a table of graph, that is x, y, that is 0, 1, 2 or minus 2, minus 1 and 0. After that we can make this graph. Students, you can put any value of x, not just you have to not just fix on these values, you can put any values of x, so your graph will be always remain same. This is the graph of our second question. Similarly, we have equation y is equals to 3x. Put x equals to value of 1, 0, minus 1, then we can get values of 3, 0 or minus 3, or this is our table. I will show you graph of 3 and 4 together. So first of all we can just discuss next question number 4, that is 3 is equals to 2x plus y, or simply we can say that y is equals to 3 minus 2x. Put the value of x equals to minus 1, 0, 1, and this will be your values, or this is our graph table. So with the help of this table we will make graph of question number 4 also. This will be the graph of our third question. This will be the graph of our fourth question. Now in question number second we have to find the equation of two lines which passes through point 2 and 14. Now take a look that we know that through a single point infinite lines can be drawn. you can easily see that if there is a point, you can draw infinite many lines which pass through this point. So if we have given 2 and 14 points, so we will get infinite number of lines here, but we have to find just only 2 lines. So how we can find it? Take a look. First of all, let a linear equation in 2 variable, that is ax plus by is equals to c. That is equation number 1. Now put the value of put the point 2 and 14, that is 2 here x is the value of x, that is 2, and what is the value of y, that is 14. So it is 2a plus 14b is equals to c. That is equation number 2. Now from equation number first and second, you can easily check that right hand side is equal. So value of c is this, and you can put this value in equation number 1. So both equations will be same. So ax plus by is equals to 2a plus 14b. After that, move these values, move these terms to left hand side, that is ax minus 2a plus by minus 14b is equals to 0. Just take common out a, that is x minus 2, and just common out b, that is y minus 14 equals to 0. Now move this value, x value, to right side, then it will be minus of a x minus 2. Now take a terms to interchange these terms, because these terms are now in multiple. So x minus 2 will be movable to here in denominator, and b will be movable to minus a upon b. Now let infinite many values of a and b, because we have to find only 2 lines, just we can imagine we can let 2 values of a and b. First of all, let a equals to 2, b is equals to 1. So put this value, that is minus 2 upon 1, then take cross multiply, then 1 is multiplied by y minus 14, and x minus 2 is multiplied by minus 2. So just multiply it and interchange these terms so that it become an equation, that is 2x plus y is equals to 18. Now let take a value, a is equals to 7 and b equals to minus 1. Put this value in a and b. So here minus minus will be cut out, that is 7 upon 1. Just cross multiply it and multiply it, and you will get next equation, that is equation number 2. Now in question number 3, we have given that a point 3 4, that is lies on a graph of equation 3y is equals to ax plus 7. We have to find value of a. So students, always remember this: if any point lies on a line, then its values will be put in that equation. So if since 3 and 4 lies on graph on line 3y is equals to ax plus 7, then put these values. This one is x and this one is y. Put these values in equation number in given equation. Now after putting these values, solve it, and you can easily get what is the value of a, that is 5 upon 3. Now we are moving to our next 4th question. So our statement is the taxi fare in a city is fare charges, we have given that for first kilometer fare is ₹8, and for subsequent distance is it ₹5 पर किलोमीटर. ओके, सो हमें स्टेटमेंट हमें क्या दी हुई है कि एक जो टैक्सी फेयर दिए हुए हैं कि अगर वो 1 किलोमीटर जाता है तो फर्स्ट किलोमीटर जो जाता है उसका जो चार्जेस हैं वो ₹8 हैं. उसके बाद वो जितने भी किलोमीटर्स वो आगे ट्रैवल करता है तो उसके चार्जेस जो हैं वो ₹5 पर किलोमीटर होंगे. तो हम कैसे अब इस क्वेश्चन को करेंगे? अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टेटमेंट, let the total distance covered, that is x kilometer, and total fares, that is equals to y rupees. Then fare for first kilometer is ₹8, and for remaining distance, what will be our remaining distance? That is x minus 1, because its first kilometer will be covered. Then what is the remaining distance? That is x minus 1 kilometer, and its charges is ₹5 per kilometer. So linear equation will be For first kilometer, that is 8 plus then 5 into x minus 1, that is equals to y. Multiply 5 inside, that is 5x minus 5 is equals to y. Then solve it. Then what will we get? Value of y, that is 3 plus 5x equals to y. So put the value of x, that is 0, 1, 2. We will get y is equals to 3, 8 and 13. And after that we will make our graph. This is the graph of your question number 4. I hope you understand all these questions and you can easily do it in your notebook. Best of luck and have a nice day.